Hi, my name is Yusuf, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around this tungsten silver Tiguan R-Line on sale here at Wrexham Volkswagen. This car's just come in part exchange with us. It's an excellent example, featuring the 20-inch Suzuka alloy wheels, tinted rear windows. This one is the two-wheel drive version, so it's slightly better on fuel economy. Inside the car, you'll see it has a multifunctional flat-bottom leather steering wheel, digital cockpit, navigation, heated seats, 6-speed manual gearbox and parking sensors on both the front and rear. This car is available on the PCP or hire purchase finance option, whichever one suits your own personal requirements best. So if you're in the market for a stylish SUV and this one ticks all the right boxes, please, when you inquire, make sure you ask for myself, Yusuf, or my colleague Phil. We're the internet sales specialists who deal with all the incoming inquiries, and hopefully we can get this car on your drive. Thanks for watching.